Welcome to the main campus of SUNY Morrisville, home of the Mustangs, located between Syracuse and Utica on scenic Route 20. Here at SUNY Morrisville, we believe our students learn best by actually doing what they learn in one of our living classrooms. Being hands-on seems like common sense to us, and maybe even to you. However, it sets us apart from many other colleges. In the end, our graduates are well equipped and quickly reach their career goals because of their experience. Simply put, you'll find we have the types of interactive learning labs you'll want to work in. Living classrooms are at the heart of our education philosophy, and they're a major reason why our graduates are better equipped to join the ever-evolving economy of their peers. No matter what you study, you'll spend a portion of it in a living classroom or lab. So SUNY Morrisville has you covered for the other half of your time. If you're coming to college to study full-time, you'll most likely reside in one of our residence halls. Students can show their Mustang pride in a variety of different sporting venues around campus. Cheering on our NCAA Division III athletic teams. Or getting involved in one of our intramural leagues, student clubs, or organizations. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of SUNY Morrisville. If you'd like to know more, visit our website at morrisville.edu. And when time allows, come visit us in person by setting up a tour with our admissions office. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you soon.